In this tutorial, we're going to talk very briefly about weak sets and weak maps, and how they differ from their counterparts, the set and map objects. So first, looking at weak sets, a weak set is an implementation of a set that holds objects in a collection and will remove them from memory when they're no longer needed. So unlike a set weak set can't contain a string, a number, or any other type of primitive value. We can only store objects inside the set. So this might seem a bit restrictive, but the reason for only having objects is because JavaScript keeps track of which objects are no longer in use, and then can remove them from memory via a process called garbage collection, thereby making your code more efficient and ultimately possibly less prone to errors. So adding an object directly to a weak set like this isn't ideal because we can't actually remove the object from memory. So let's create that inside a variable instead. And so we can check if the set has the user object inside it. And when we destroy the user object by setting it to null, calling the has function again shows us that the user object has been removed from memory and also the weak set. So it's worth pointing out that if this was an array, simply setting the variable of an object to null wouldn't actually remove it from memory, which is what makes weak sets more efficient. So as you might have guessed, weak maps are exactly the same. They're the same implementation of the map data structure, but only allow you to use objects as keys. So as you can see before, trying to use a string as the key property results in an error in our output, whereas using the user object that we created allows us to set and get values from the weak map. So that's just a quick overview of weak sets and weak maps. If you just take away that you can only use objects with weak sets and maps, and that they have some built-in garbage collection that will help to clean up unused objects from memory.